ARP Sniper Rifle 3D. The Accuracy International Arctic Warfare Rifle is a family of bolt-action sniper rifles, designed and manufactured by the British company Accuracy International. It has proven popular as a civilian, police, and military rifle since its introduction in the 1980s. The rifle is capable of first-shot hits with a cold, warm, or fouled barrel. Tests with 10.89 gram, 168 grain ammunition provided sub-0.5 minute of ARC-10 shot groups at 91 meters, 100 yards. Its maximum effective range with the Schmidt & Bender 6x42 PM2 scope is around 800 meters, 870 yards. Rather than a traditional wooden or polymer rifle stock, the ARP is based on an aluminum chassis which extends the entire length of the stock. This chassis system is marked as the Accuracy International Chassis System and can be used for all Accuracy International rifles. All other components, including the receiver, are bolted directly to this chassis. Two hollow polymer half-thumb hole stock panels, usually green, are in turn bolted to the chassis, creating a remarkably rugged, yet for its sturdiness comparatively light weapon. To this day, the ARP sniper rifle remains a rugged, reliable firearm that will remain in service and production for years to come. ARP Sniper Rifle 3D.